In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a page on your Shopify store. This guide will help you navigate through the Shopify interface and make adjustments precisely tailored to enhance your online shop's performance. Let's start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. When you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar and locate Online Store. Clicking on this link will reveal additional menu options nestled under it. Among these, you'll find Pages, which is our next destination. Once you're on the Pages screen, you'll notice options like Add Page on the top right. Click Add Page and you'll be taken to a new page creation interface. Here, the first field to fill out is labeled Title. The title you choose will act as an identifier for your new page, so pick something that reflects its content accurately to ensure users know what to expect. Moving down, focus on the Content box. This area is where you can enter the essential details and messages you want to communicate to your audience. Whether you're crafting an About Us page, a contact page, or featuring a new promotion, ensure your content is engaging yet clear. After populating the content, you'll want to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. This step is crucial because forgetting to save can mean losing your work. Once saved, direct your attention to the visibility settings. Here you can manage when the page should be available to your visitors. Make your page visible or hidden based on your current marketing plans. This is particularly useful if you're planning a future launch or a time-limited campaign. Next, let's dive into the aesthetics by navigating back to Themes via the left sidebar. Themes allow you to customize your store's look. Choose the theme you are working with and click on the Customize button. You'll be taken to an editor. Within this editor, ensure you highlight your newly created page under the Pages section. The customization process doesn't just stop here. Depending on the theme, you may have a multitude of options for layout and design. Play around with these settings to enhance your page's functionality and visual appeal. Just don't forget to keep hitting save after every tweak to lock in these changes. Finally, after your theme's customization is complete, take one final review to ensure everything appears as expected. If satisfied, your page is now live and part of your store, ready to serve your customers. That's all for this guide. Congratulations on enhancing your Shopify store.